Several months ago, Roman asked if I would build him his own blue recycling truck, so he could drive around the neighborhood just like Robert the recycle truck driver.
Hey everybody, today I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to show Robert the recycling man my recycling truck. It's in!
How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Come on, man. I know you're behind there, so. Okay. That's how you gonna load it, okay? That's nice. I like that. You have a nice weekend. I'll talk to you soon.
For the kids watching, always keep a safe distance between you and the garbage and recycling trucks because the drivers may not see you.
It was my dream to be like him, now I am.
Recycling is so much fun, even Roman's sister Gracie took a turn driving the recycle truck.